Hello guys, let's complete an hour book time for English with Unit 11 at the planetarium. It's time for our grammar lessons. We will start with simple present with want to and infinitive. Here, if we have the subject he, she, it or any singular noun, we will use the verb want to. Then we will add an infinitive verb. And if we have the subject I, we, they or you, or any plural noun, we will use the verb want to plus infinitive. Look at the examples. He wants to see Jupiter. Here the subject he, so we used wants. And the second example, I want to see Mercury. So the subject is I, so we use the verb want. Now let's go for the next part. We have here the object pronouns. We all know the subject pronouns I, he, she, it, we, you, they. We have some object pronouns. From I, it will be me. He will be him. She will be her. It. We will be us. You. They will be them. Look at the examples. Listen to him. Please help me. Look at her. She is running. Here we can see that look at her. She is object here, but she is running. She is a subject. And the last example, can I ask them some questions? I, subject, but them, it's object. And now let's go for the next part, the imperative. Here we have the positive imperative and negative imperative. This is when we have or want to give an order to someone. Turn left, don't turn left. Let him go, don't let him go. Come here, don't come here. Okay, let's go for the phonics. We have here syllable OI and syllable OY. And both of them, we pronounce it in the same way. Like foil, boil, broiled, buoyant, join, joy, oyster, soy. Now let's go for our exercises. We have here circle the odd one and replace it with the correct one. Number 1, egg, boy, girl, man. So the different one is egg, and we will replace it with, yes, woman. Number 2, nose, leg, arm, jump. So the different one is jump, and we will replace it with a part of our body like knee. Number 3, loved, jumped, boiled, oyster. So oyster is a different one, and we will replace it with a verb in the past form, so we will use played. Number 4, plane, bus, bike, 3. So it's 3, and we will replace it with a mean of transport like car. The last one, sister, oil, brother, mother. So oil is a different one, and we replace it with a member of our family like father. Let's go for the next exercise. Choose the correct answer from A, B, C, or D. Number 1, can I space to the snack bar? So can I go? Number 2, there are 9 planets. Space the solar system. So in. Number 3, I love oysters. Cooked in, yes, oil. Number 4, I want to buy a space for my father, so gift. Let's go for the next exercise. Read the passage and answer the questions. Let's read. There are 9 planets in the solar system. Going out from the sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. We live on Earth. Neptune is bigger than Pluto. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Pluto is the smallest one. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, and Pluto is the furthest one from the Sun. Let's answer. Fill in the blank boxes with true or false. Number 1. Neptune is bigger than Pluto. Yes, it's true. Number 2. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. Yes, it's true. Number 3. Mars is the furthest one from the Sun. No, it's false. Let's go for the next exercise. Where do we live? So the answer will be we live on Earth. Next one, which is the biggest planet? So the answer, Jupiter is the biggest planet. Let's go for the next exercise. Rearrange the following words. Number 1, doesn't she play one? So the answer will be she doesn't want to play. Number 2, lunch you did have. So the answer, did you have lunch? Number 3, a show great was that. So the answer, that was a great show. Number 4, planet is smallest Pluto. So Pluto is the smallest planet. Let's go for the last exercise. Punctuate the following. Number 1, did Ali and Toa see Mercury? So the answer will be, did Ali and Toa see Mercury? Start with capital M and question mark. Number 2, Adil and Sami visited us. So the answer, Adil and Sami with capital S visited Aswan with capital A and full stop. And this is what we have for this part, and we will meet again. Thank you. Bye.